Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'll be splitting the cases on my 1986 Honda Cr500. For those of you that are new, I bought this motor straight off of eBay. I'll be using this motor for a crazy off-road project that's coming up in a few months, so stay tuned, but let's get right into the video. Pretty good shape. Very good. So the whole bottom end is contaminated with some kind of metal shavings. We're gonna have to clean this very nicely. I hope it didn't get into this bearing, otherwise we're gonna have to do a crank rebuild. Piston looks good. Seems to be no play in the connecting rod other than side to side, which is normal. That's like straight up grease. Okay, here we go. 30-year-old motor, Cr500, being split. Oh, I feel it popping. Not bad. Shift drum, long shaft. Guys, I honestly think we scored on this engine. Transmission is in great shape. The crank is probably salvageable, but we'll have to double check. Yeah, guys, this is really good. Here it is. Wow. Yeah, we could totally reuse this. There's actually no aftermarket options for a crank. If you're under 88 and above, you're good. But check this out. No rust on the transmission. These cases look very nice. But it's kind of weird. There's some kind of like flour in there or some kind of organic material. I think what happened was the air boot seal was bad and it just sucked up a bunch of dirt because there's a whole lot of dirt in here. But once we get these cases vapor blasted, it should fix all of that, so no big deal. this is everything I'm going to be vapor blasting. I'm going to go ahead and package these up nicely and send them out. So we got our cases back from vapor blasting, and check this out. Wow, I can't believe how good that finish turned out. Every single black spot is gone. The inside looks very good. Let's take a look at this case. It probably looks much better than how it rolled off the factory. As you can see, we have a little bit of chipping here. Wow guys, that is a killer job. Now there is a chip in the cases that I'm probably going to have to weld up. Our cat is just checking out these parts. They did a good job, kitty? Yes sir. Now this was a killer job done by Nexus Blasting. I'll have their Instagram right here. Definitely go follow them. They really hooked me up with this motor, and I will be going back to them for all my future motors, so stay tuned. I'm very happy with how this Cr500 turned out. Now I'm going all out on this motor and taking it to the next level. So if you have any parts recommendations, leave them down in the comments. So far I'm looking at a Electron 40mm carburetor, FMF fatty, port work, custom intake, billet parts, performance parts. So guys, we got lots of stuff coming. Now the piston is brand new. I don't know about the crank. The crank might be salvageable, but we're definitely looking at getting all bearings, a clutch basket, clutch pads. But I hope you guys enjoyed this pretty short and simple video. If y'all did, leave a like down below. Now that I'm back into making videos, our channel is growing pretty fast, so thank you guys. I worked very hard to get where I'm at, and I always try to stand out from the crowd. But guys, I'll have to see you in the next video. Stay tuned, and peace.